Hello students, today I am going to discuss with you formation of a company. This is a topic from our second chapter, that is different form of business organization. So first of all I would like to explain you what is the meaning of formation of a company. Formation of a company means we have to form a company that should be in running form, and company came into existence that has its own identity. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कंपनी का मतलब है कि कंपनी जो है रनिंग फॉर्म में आ जाती है, वो अपना बिजनेस करना स्टार्ट कर देती है. And in the formation of a company there are basically four main steps. First is promotion, second is incorporation, third is capital subscription, and the fourth one is commencement of business. One thing you have to remember that in case of a private company only first two steps are being taken, and in case of a public company all the four steps are to be taken. It means that a private company can start its business after undergone first two stages, that is promotion and incorporation stage, but a public company has to go through all the four stages in order to run its business. Now the next thing is that what is the meaning of promotion? Promotion means conceiving a business idea or taking an initiative to start a company. And in order to promote a business or to conceive an idea, one specialized person is being there who can conceive the idea. That particular person is known as promoter. Promoter can be a person, or it can be a group of person, or it can be an institution that conceive an idea or that have an idea to start the business. So now the next thing is that what is the function of a promoter, or we can say what is the role of a promoter. Role of promoter or function of promoter can be divided into six main parts. First is identification of business opportunity. The first function of promoter or first duty of promoter is to find out or identify the business opportunity. What type of business we want to start. It can be production of a new product, or starting a new service, or expanding the already existing business. So promoter has to find out the business opportunity. Second is called feasibility study. Feasibility means practicability of the business, means that the business that we have conceived to start should be technically, financially and economically feasible, practical. मतलब कि जो हम बिज़नेस स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं वो हमारा प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल होना चाहिए. ऐसा ना हो कि हमने बिज़नेस स्टार्ट करने का आइडिया तो बना लिया बट वो हमारा प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल ही ना हो. सपोज वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट or set up a factory in that area where there is problem of transportation, or where there is less supply of raw material, or where there is shortage of water. These things should be keep in mind before starting a business. All the things like technical, financial and economical should be keep in mind before starting the business. All the things should be practically possible. Next step is name approval. But it is a duty of the promoter that the name of the newly formed company should be submitted to the registrar, and it should be approved by the registrar. And registrar can only approve the name of the company if the name of the company is unique, different, and it should not be similar to the already existing company. मीन्स दैट कि नाम इस तरह होना चाहिए कि किसी ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग कंपनी का वो नाम ना हो. नाम जो है कंपनी का यूनिक होना चाहिए, डिफरेंट होना चाहिए, तभी रजिस्ट्रार उसकी अप्रूवल देता है. उसके बाद जो है नेक्स्ट स्टेप प्रमोटर करता है, दैट इज़ फिक्सिंग अप सिग्नेटरीज टू द मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन. मीन्स कि प्रमोटर की ड्यूटी है कि वो उन लोगों को चूज़ करे जो लोग मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन को साइन करें. मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन एक डॉक्यूमेंट है जो कंपनी की फॉर्मेशन में बनाया जाता है, और इस डॉक्यूमेंट को साइन करने वाले जो लोग होते हैं उन्हें हम कहते हैं डायरेक्टर। और प्रमोटर की ड्यूटी है कि वो फाइंड आउट करे, चूज़ करे ऐसे लोगों को who can work as the director of the company, and those are capable of signing the memorandum of association. Next thing is appointment of professionals. Promoter has to appoint some professional. It can be banker or auditors. Professional means those who are specialized in their services. It can be banker, it can be auditor. Next step is preparation of necessary document. The next main duty of promoter is to make or prepare certain documents like article of association, memorandum of association, and these legal documents should be submitted to the registrar. Means प्रमोटर कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट तैयार कराता है जैसे कि मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन, आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन। इन डॉक्यूमेंट्स को प्रिपेयर कराने के बाद वो रजिस्ट्रार के पास जाकर इनको सबमिट कराता है और अपनी जो फर्स्ट स्टेज है प्रमोशन स्टेज वो इसके साथ कंप्लीट हो जाती है। थैंक यू।